You think? I don't know. I'm nervous that it will. They won't be interested because it's so fat. I don't know.
It's very ugly.
You think so?
Well,
they're pretty.
Look at its head. Give you a
spike on its rear.
Whoa, trying to get me. Whoa.
Tomato hornworm.
In the potato field.
That thing's a beast.
Potato horn.
Look at those little legs.
Yuck.
Hey.
All right, so long, buddy. You're gonna get fed to the chickens. Bye bye.